A carbon footprint shows how much carbon dioxide, CO2, we put into the air. We make CO2 when we do things like drive cars, cook food, and use electricity. Even when we buy clothes, toys, or food, CO2 is made in factories. Planes, buses, and trains also make CO2. When too much CO2 goes into the air, the Earth gets warmer. This is called global warming. It can hurt animals, plants, and make weather very bad. We can help by doing small things. We can turn off lights when we leave a room, use less water when we wash, and recycle bottles, paper, and plastic. We can also walk, ride bikes, or use buses to go places. Planting trees is another good way to help because trees take CO2 out of the air. Every little thing we do helps lower our carbon footprint. If everyone works together, we can keep the Earth healthy and safe.